That was an amazing performance by Clifton. Right, Varun?
Yes, thank you for the amazing performance, Clifton.
Now, what do you say we do a Q&A session to test whether the students of our school know about Chinese New Year?
Yeah, we can also throw in some Valentine's Day questions.
Yes, so we will be asking 2 Valentine's Day questions and 2 Chinese New Year questions. If you get a question right, you get a gift.
This question is directed to the primary students. The first question is, which animal is associated with the year 2026?
Now, this is for the secondary school. How many days does the festival usually last?
15!
I believe it's 12 days. 14, 8.
50 days?
Next question. This time it's Valentine's Day. What can Cupid usually be seen carrying? No, that's not correct. One more thing. Yeah, correct.
Okay, this last question is to the secondaries. Which country has a tradition where the girl gives a man the chocolate?
USA?
Wrong. Correct. And with that, we end the Q&A sessions. Next up, we will be having the Year 3s dancing to Happy Horse New Year, 新年好马 by Nick钟盛忠and Stella钟晓玉. Let's give her a big round of applause.
我祝你新年好运在路上，我祝你新年家人